Stop. Nice guy. He just wanted to warn me. Really cool. Good afternoon. So it's been quite a while since I gave you guys an update regarding the yellow MRT line. So I'm here near the Bangkok highway, and this is the yellow MRT monorail, and where I just started was the station YL17. So let's have a look. Yeah, we're riding in the direction of the Seacon Square here. Yeah, it's about 1:15, and the weather is perfect for filming at the moment. Yeah, so the normal MRTs, they are trains, but this is going to be a monorail. And this is the first type of monorail that will be in Bangkok. Like Kuala Lumpur, for example, has a monorail as well. Yeah, and this yellow line is running along Lat Phrao, and at Lat Phrao it makes a bend at Bangkapi, where it goes into this direction, in the direction of Samrong. Yeah, so here we're getting to the Paradise Mall. So this is the station YL15 Suan Luang Rama 9 station, and yeah, this is around the corner from the Rama 9 park. So in the future, when this all opens, you can take the MRT and go to the park. Stop. Nice guy. He just wanted to warn me. Really cool. So this is the Seacon Square. I made a video about that already quite a while ago, about the mall inside. It's one of these pit stop malls for me, but I already had my lunch, so no need to have lunch here today. Yeah, it's quite interesting to see how Bangkok is getting more and more connected with all these train lines. So there in front you have the station YL14, and it's a very simple, YL means yellow line, station number 14. If you notice, in Bangkok all the stations have a number. Great place to park your car. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this update. If you did, feel free to subscribe. Drop me a comment in my comment box, and you can press the like button if you want. I'll see you guys in my next video.